Here we are, Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. Last week we showed you Rajdeep Sardesai politely decline the ride offered by Mani Shankar Iyer. Mani must have taken it really personally, because this is what he had to say this week.
I don't care a damn what you think. And the CNN-IBN has a track record of twisting my words and running it the whole day. And therefore, thank you very much. I'm going to the next channel.
With the exception of dealing with money, the media has had it easy of late, because the Aam Aadmi Party seems to hand out stories on a daily basis, because this is Aam Aadmi Party's way of thanking the media for all the positive coverage they've received so far. Last week we showed you how the media covered the Aam Aadmi Party's headless chicken syndrome, the revolving door syndrome, anything goes phenomena, foot in mouth, say sorry and everything's okay. And now we can safely say the Aam Aadmi Party's honeymoon period has certainly ended. When the Aam Aadmi Party was formed, we were informed through the media how the Aam Aadmi Party had created a revolution in politics. What we weren't expecting, however, was a revolution within the Aam Aadmi Party itself, and the news channels were all over it.
बिन्नी ने आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर कहा कि केजरीवाल सरकार जनता से किए वादे पूरे नहीं कर रही है। अगर सरकार ने 27 जनवरी तक वादे पूरे नहीं किए तो वो सरकार के खिलाफ अनशन करेंगे।
अगर आपने ऐसा नहीं किया तो 27 तारीख से विनोद कुमार बिन्नी जंतर मंतर पे अनिश्चितकाल अनशन के लिए बैठेगा सरकार के खिलाफ। बहुत चतुराई से चंद लोगों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए सरकार ने बहुत जल्दी में 400 वाली यूनिट वाली एक स्कीम बनाई और सब्सिडी देके अपनी पीठ थपड़े शुरू कर दी।
Media organizations seem to identify anyone and everyone from the Aam Aadmi Party as the party leader, and anything they say is considered to be the party's view or going against the party's agenda.
I object.
Who are you?
I am the Chief Minister and I do not like the way the Aam Aadmi Party is functioning.
You're not Chief Minister?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Of course I am.
So am I.
So am I. So am I.
What's happening?
ये अरविंद केजरीवाल ने शपथ नहीं ली, इन 6 मंत्रियों ने शपथ नहीं ली। आज दिल्ली के हर नागरिक ने मुख्यमंत्री की और मंत्री की शपथ ली है।
Well, that explains why the media treat all the Aam Aadmi Party members equally, like chief ministers. The Aam Aadmi Party would be an interesting petri dish experiment, as very accurately described by Samar Harlankar of Hindustan Times. This experiment has the most unlikely fellow travellers, which is a good thing. But not if the fellow travellers are saying, "Hey, who are you? And who's this fellow? And who's that fellow?"
जब से मैं आपकी सदस्य बनी हूँ, तब से मुझे YouTube लिंक्स भिजवाई गई है, बहुत लोग भेजते हैं और वो काफ़ी चिंताजनक है।
मैं जानता नहीं वो कौन है और मैं ये भी नहीं जानता कि पार्टी में कब आई हैं। 1 करोड़ लोगों को हमें पार्टी में लेना है, ऐसा कॉल है, उसमें वो भी आई होंगी, उनका भी स्वागत है।
So much for the middle class party of the lower middle class. Who are the recent inductees? Meera Sanyal? Sorry, she's not an Aam Aadmi. Too prissy, just too rich looking, looks like a banker. Captain Gopinath, the founder of Air Deccan, appeared on headlines today's centre stage a few days after joining Aam Aadmi Party to oppose the party's decision to roll back FDI in retail. Oof.
But I spoke to people in Kejriwal's team. They're angry with you. They're saying Captain Gopinath and others like him should have read the Aam Aadmi Party manifesto before blindly joining the party.
Obviously, I have not read all the small print.
We suggest a comeback for Captain Gopinath. When you boarded his flights, did you listen to all the instructions, or did you just listen to the first few words and then doze off? For instance, with the Standard Chartered Platinum Card membership, you get this: a book with all the terms and conditions of the credit card. By the time I'm finished reading this, I won't need a credit card. I'll need a retirement plan. Then there's Mallika Sarabhai from the very simple middle-class Sarabhai Chemicals family. Finally, there's him. But then, he's a Naxalite. Fits right in, sorry. Last week we had advised film stars that with great power comes great responsibility. This week we're giving the same advice to ministers. Somnath Bharti took it upon himself to clean up the mean streets of Delhi. He's gone from this to this.
डूबो पानी में कि मंत्री 3 बजे रात को बैठ के यहाँ पे तुम्हारी ड्यूटी कर रहा है। आप जाकर के वहाँ पे रेड करिए वहाँ पे ट्रक चल रहा है, वेस्टाबिट चल रहा है वहाँ पे, रेड करिए जाकर के वहाँ पे।
I guess you can say they treated the law minister like an Aam Aadmi. What did he expect? Didn't they want that? Had this been any other ruling party, would they have dared not to obey? Promise you. Now they're being treated like what they wanted, the Aam Aadmi. Bharti performed for television cameras because, as we know, style trumps substance. And news television is happy to get any drama, and this is what was offered to them. And of course, they diligently aired it.
दिल्ली के कानून मंत्री सोमनाथ भारती दिल्ली के सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जजेस की मीटिंग बुलाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इस मीटिंग को लेकर विवाद खड़ा हो गया है.
He has been accused of flouting the law by tampering with evidence and trying to influence.
The astonishing thing about this is that Mr. Stickler for Propriety Kejriwal has not taken any action against Somnath Bharti as yet. But before taking action against Bharti, he might want to action some spokespersons who can speak sensibly. Tearing through the crowd of wacko spokespersons with the bumptiousness of Manishankar Iyer, the offensiveness of Rahul Narvekar, the bluster of Meenakshi Lekhi, and the charm of Subramaniam Swamy, and the intelligence of Renuka Chaudhary, is the new Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, Preeti Menon.
Yes!
One person clapping. One, probably Preeti Menon.
I personally haven't taken any action against
him. Not you, Arvind Kejriwal, obviously. This is the Indian law, this is not the Arvind Kejriwal law.
The police enter more than enough houses.
Oh my God.
Police enter more than enough establishments when there is a crime taking place.
Miss
If
Menon,
there is a crime taking place in my neighborhood and I say 100, the police have to come and investigate that crime.
Miss Menon, please
How
understand.
can you just use this so
now this is very dangerous.
selectively? This is not the way it works.
Miss Menon, see, first of all, I'll tell you.
I'm talking about as an Aam Aadmi.
Miss Menon, first of all, one minute, Miss Menon.
If there was a will, they would have gone and investigated it. There was no will. There is no will. It's not about God. It's about the Delhi police, which acts like God and does not do anything for the citizens.
What action have you taken against Somnath Bharti?
You're saying that the law minister committed some kind of crime.
Yes.
Which he did not. He asked the police to do their job.
But if the police had done what the law minister had asked them to do, the police would have been complicit in that crime as per the criminal procedure code of this country.
You are absolutely wrong. If I complain about a crime now, I dial 100 now, the police has to come and investigate the crime.
Yes.
They cannot
But to carry out,
if there is a crime reported, the police has to investigate. If there's a murder taking place in front of the police, what are they going to say? Oh, wait, someone can get a warrant. No, they're not.
Miss Menon, please be careful.
AAP, Amateur Army Party, for sure.
Please don't tell me how I should position my show, right? Because till now, you are now at least don't show those shades of intolerance.
Never, ever.
Where if I ask you that question, that you should not say that now I will, you have to ask this.
Mocking Arnab when you have no defense is hardly the way to prove your credentials. Listen, Preeti, you can never, never do a takedown of news laundries. Never, ever. It's our property. When you make Sanjay Jha look good, you know you're doing a terrible job. It sounds like the Aam Aadmi Party could definitely use a good PR team. And one person who could tell them the value of a good PR team is Rahul Gandhi. While the Congress party doesn't want to name him as their prime ministerial candidate, his PR team is busy putting together these rather impressive posters. However, a PR team can only do so much. When NDTV on their website decides to translate the message of one of the posters from Hindi to English, the original line reads, and I quote, Rahul ji ka uddeshya Bhrashtachar Mukt Desh, which is translated as Rahul ji's aim, Congress-free India. Stop. We're not sure if it was an honest mistake or whether NDTV was trying to be cheeky. But whatever it was, there's no denying that Rahul has done more to rid India of the Congress than he has to get rid of corruption. And Rahul Baba spoke.
थोड़ा मैं पहले अंग्रेजी में बोलूंगा और अंत में हिंदी में बोलूंगा. बिल्कुल. कांग्रेस पार्टी है क्या? कांग्रेस पार्टी एक संगठन नहीं है. कांग्रेस पार्टी एक सोच है.
अब इंडिया एक सोच है, फिर वही चक्कर. इंडिया एक सोच है, एक पैराडाइम है, एक escape velocity है. Escape velocity किधर? To Rome, Milan, where, who? And to top it all, did nobody ever tell him you're not supposed to clap after the national anthem? Oof, please, कुछ तो सीखो.
मैंने आपसे भ्रष्टाचार की बात की. लोकपाल बिल लाए, RTI लाए.
Ha. You gave us the RTI. Aruna Roy किथे? No, she's not on the scene at all. Arvind Kejriwal, not on the scene at all. They just did it on their own. They wanted the RTI to give us all this information to trap themselves. Yeah, right. Manishankar Iyer did not endear himself to the people in the media when he said this.
वायदा करता हूं कि इस 21वीं सदी में नरेंद्र मोदी कभी भी देश के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे, नहीं बनेंगे, नहीं बनेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ आकर चाय का वितरण करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनके लिए कुछ जगह बना रखते हैं।
As usual, Pallavi Ghosh distorts my words. Your biggest characteristic is your inability to understand me, and I'm amazed at myself that I come to agree to speak to you.
But look what Rahul Gandhi gave him for saying it.
I don't see Manishankar Iyer ji here. Where is he? There. And a gentleman who fights for this every day of his life. And who, yeah, I'd like you to applaud him as well.
In a centre stage debate on Rahul Gandhi's PM credentials, Shiv Vishwanathan really got under Abhishek Manu Singhvi's skin when he had this to say about Rahul Gandhi.
I think let's take this question seriously. This man is a coy, reluctant bride. The whole family is getting him married off. But you think that he hankers for power.
That analogy reminds us of this. Last week we complimented the media for the hard-hitting coverage of the UP ministers' junkets and the extravagant Saifai Mahotsav. To rectify the situation, Azam Khan and Akhilesh Yadav decided to team up and came on TV and attacked the media for their negative coverage and even demanded an apology. Wah!
कई लोगों ने कहा कि पूरा बजट सस्ते में चला गया, तो जो लोग 300 करोड़ रख रहे हैं वो माफी मांगे और नहीं तो हिसाब किताब देंगे 300 करोड़ कहाँ पे खर्च किया है इस मेला, इस महोत्सव में, और माफी मांगे। उसके साथ साथ जिस व्यक्ति ने ये कहानी या खबर बनाई उसको सजा दें।
Azam Khan, playing the minority card, made this bizarre statement while defending the all-expenses-paid junket, accusing the media of being against minority communities.
Okay, the media did go hard at Akhilesh and his government, but we would have liked to have seen a reasonable reaction from the Samajwadi Party. So like any good government that believes in free speech and democracy, they responded by blacking out Times Now and India News.
Times Now is not available on certain cable networks in large parts of Uttar Pradesh.
That move by the Akhilesh government wasn't welcomed by anyone. But there is one place where Akhilesh Yadav is more than welcome, and that was at the Lucknow Zoo. According to a press release by the state spokesperson for the Samajwadi Party, Rajendra Prasad, 2 lions at the Lucknow Zoo welcomed Akhilesh Yadav by roaring. On the 13th of January, the Indian Express carried an article titled, "In Lion Roar, Meaty Bite for Akhilesh." The tone of the article suggests that this press release is a mockery. But Indian Express, when you feature it on the front page, you're making a mockery of your own article that makes a mockery of a press release. The media has so many questions for the Samajwadi Party, but unfortunately, it seems most of them will remain unanswered. On Arnab's show, however, there are no unanswered questions, only ones that cannot be answered.
Don't provoke me, Mr. Nanavati, otherwise I will ask you a question. I will ask you a question that you will have no answer for. If you carry on that line of argument right now, I'll ask you a question and you will have no answer for it. Should I?
After threatening to ask an unanswerable question, Arnab didn't ask it for 19 minutes. But first, Devang Nanavati had him decide to play a game of verbal cricket.
Are you on the defensive? Even before I ask a question, you're on the back foot. You're on the back foot already.
Arnab, I have cross-examined many. I have cross-examined many witnesses. So call me on the back foot, ducking, whatever you want to call me.
I find without attempting. Out with it. Without attempting.
Out with it, Arnab. My good friend Arnab. Come on.
Devang Nanavati, you bat on the back foot. You're reminded of your other days when you used to be the Virender Sehwag of politics.
There are some of the most beautiful shots. Some of the most beautiful shots in cricket are played on the back foot. So no problem on being on the back foot.
At least you admitted you are on the back foot.
And
very
the
good.
bowler is Arnab Goswami.
Finally, the question did come.
Now here's the question. How do you call Sanjeev Bhatt upon simply because he says things that your government in Gujarat does not agree with. No, well, let me complete. When it was announced that his wife Shweta Bhatt would be pitted against Narendra Modi in the 2012 elections in Gujarat, the BJP alleged, and you must let me answer, let me ask my question, let me complete my question before you spring to, you have to receive the delivery.
Responses by shouting you down.
You have to receive the delivery, the ball has to reach you.
Oh, so it was an unanswerable question after all. But not because it wasn't answerable, but because no one could hear the answer above Arnab's voice. On the one hand, we have anchors and panelists behaving like kids. On the other hand, we have some great kids on Zee News who can give anchors a run for their money. Take a look, they're great.
वेलकम टू द वीकली रैप।
मैं हूं अवनी
और मैं हिमांशु।
आज के बुलेटिन की शुरुआत करते हैं विद प्राइम मिनिस्टर मनमोहन सिंह डिसीजन टू कॉल इट अ डे।
हाल ही में उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया कि अपनी 2 टर्म्स फिनिश करने के बाद वो तीसरी बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बनना चाहते। एक तरफ इंडिया ने नए पेट्रोल शिप को लॉन्च किया तो दूसरी तरफ अंटार्कटिका के आईसीसीज में एक रशियन शिप फंस गया था।
जब करोड़ों लोग क्रिसमस मना रहे थे उसी दिन कई टूरिस्ट और रिसर्चर्स इस शिप में फंस गए।
We think it's a great idea as it is super informative while also trying to stay relevant to a younger audience unlike some other shows. Our newsrooms can get too noisy and heated at times, but hey, it could be worse. Pakistan's Capital TV ran a segment on India's mission to Mars with an expert on hand to give us his views on the mission.
मरीख पर इंसानी जिंदगी की तलाश में खलाई मिशन भेजने वाला भारत पहला एशियाई मुल्क बन गया।
अच्छा, मैं ये कहता चलूं कि ये चूंकि आप थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश मीडियम हैं, ये मैं बता दूं कि मार्स जो है ना उसको गालिबन मुश्तरी कहते हैं और मरीख जो है वो कोई और सियारा होता है।
So the experts' first involvement in the discussion was to make sure that the anchor knew the name of the planet they were discussing. It's Mars. But then she got a grip of things and posed him a serious question.
मैं ये कह रही हूँ आपसे कि भारत ने वाकई भेजा भी होगा खलाई मिशन के लिए। तो अब सुन लेना, तो बस पहले भी तो ऐसा होता है ना, 1 साल लगेगा जाने में, फिर रिपोर्ट आएगी, पता चले कि पहले भी जैसे उन्होंने कोई मिशन भेजे थे अपने, बाद में पता चला ठुस हो गए, नहीं कामयाब हुए, ये वो। तो मतलब भेजा भी है कि नहीं, पहले ये बता।
नहीं, बिल्कुल, देखो ना, ये तो ऐसी बात है ना कि ये तो बिल्कुल ही वो कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरी हो जाएगी।
Dear Binish Salim, Gustaki Maaf. Science has come of age. If you send something into space, many instruments can detect that something has gone up. You can't just say, "Kore ki peja si, ki na peja si, sanu to discern nahi." This is not that check in the mail that your employers promise you. Well, that's a wrap for the week. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook and subscribe to our newsletter. If you have any moments from journalism that made you go, "Oh wow," or "Oh crap," write in to us or tweet to us. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online.